Ooh. Hello at home. I am in Cockleshire, Luxembourg, I think it's called. Yes. And it is a freezing day, but it's really beautiful. The sun is out. So we're going to go outside, work out a little our legs. It's going to be ballet legs, and I decided to go through all the different foot positions that you would normally go through in a ballet class at the bar. You can grab a bar or a chair if you need it. I'm going to be doing it just on the mat today for a little extra balance challenge. So feel free to take that challenge with me, or just go ahead and grab that chair for support. Let's get to it. Okay, so we are going to be moving through all the positions for the feet that we would normally do in a ballet class. So first position, parallel, yes. So straight forward, toes straight forward. Let's just bring our arms into first right away. So act like you're holding a beach ball, and think of if there was a drop of water that started here at the shoulder, it would lightly drip down, right? So it slightly slopes down. Okay, so we're just gonna take a little bend and extend. So let me turn from the side so you guys can see real quick. It's none of that. It's shoulders right over hips. That's going to be the same deal with all these pliés and all these foot positions today. So just really think of lengthening all the way like a string is pulling you from the crown of the head. 2. Let's just get a little warm up. Squeeze the inner thighs now and take a little pulse. Little pulse. Nice and easy. We go 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, we're going to go parallel, rock it out to first, which is making a little V with your feet. So you go parallel, rock it out. And I know a lot of you already know this, but just a reminder for any of you that are new. 4 and 3. So you're making this diamond shape, heels stay connected. Toes go into this V shape. Now we're in first, voila. Okay, now we go down a little, up a little. So we are gonna now challenge those quadriceps. So we are going to stay here. You're turning out from that hip joint. 3 and 2 and 1. All right, now this is where some of you might want to grab a chair, counter, table, wall, whatever you got at home. I'm gonna challenge myself today by really just using my core and keeping this balance. So you're gonna lift the heels up, releve, lower down. Keep everything the same in the legs. Lift and lower. Now take it a little faster. Lift, lower, lift, lower. So you wanna get the weight onto the 10 toes and the balls of the feet. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, those of you at home, if you got something to hold on to, maybe hold on to that here. Highly recommend it, especially if you're new. Since I'm gonna try this today without holding on to anything, I'm gonna now press my heels together, and that's gonna get a deeper connection into the inner thighs. Again, stacking shoulders. So squeeze the heels in, and we just go down a little, up a little. Keep pressing the heels together. You're gonna feel these guys start to burn. Go for 4 and 3. Try not to go forward. 2 more and 1. Good. Straighten it up. Nice length. Arms up. This is called high fifth. We'll come back to that again. Whew, don't fall forward. Let's go to second position. Feet are wide. Here we go. We're going to take our arms out to second now. So we just have those palms facing forward. Little again, sloping. Slight bend in the elbow and come into a wide plie. So when you come to this plie, knees should be about over first and second toes. Not too wide, not too narrow, yeah? Let's go for 4 pliés. So we bend, squeeze, and lengthen. So when you lengthen, you can either make this super active or you can be lazy. So let's not be lazy. So when you go into this, squeeze the thighs, squeeze the glutes, everything. And 2. All right, now we're gonna get comfy in the second position, plie. Hold here, come down as low as you can, and we're gonna just lift that right heel up, lower down. 8 of these here. Stay strong, keep the core engaged. We go for 4, 3, 2. Now keep that heel up and releve. Take that arm up overhead, and then lower, lift, lower. Stay strong in those legs. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. So we just lift the left heel to begin. 7. Now you're maybe going to be tempted to straighten those legs. Stay low, guys. 3. It's a short class, so challenge yourself. Stay in it. Now from here, we just take that arm up, down, lift, lower. All right, we go 4, 3, 2, 1. Last thing here, just to lengthen it out, stretch out those quadriceps a little. You're gonna plie. Now a tendu is pointing, tapping that leg, and down and up. Just keep going, a few more, just to get that little stretch. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, straighten it out. Now, this is maybe the one and only time you're ever gonna see me do a third position. It's traditionally not done in barre class, but it is done in ballet class, so let's just do it. So what you're gonna do, you've got that turnout on the feet. Your heel is gonna go basically to the middle of that back foot, so sole of the foot. Yes, okay. Now we're gonna do a little bit more lengthening. So arms back out to second. It's gonna be a tendu like we just did before with the right leg that's in front. So you tap out to the side, squeeze it behind. Now that front heel is in line with the sole of that back foot. Take it out and in. And you wanna really think of lifting up, squeezing the inner thighs. Go for 4, 3. Oh, I got lazy there. I didn't bring it all the way in. Don't be like me. Just take it to the other side. So now the left foot, opposite foot should be in front. We point out and close, and out and close, and out and close, and out and close. We go for 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we did first, we did second, we did third. Now we go to fourth, which is a wider stance, still turned out. That heel is about, yes, still kind of in line with that back sole of the foot. If this feels awkward in the hips at all, you're probably maybe too far in. So just see where it feels kind of natural. You can keep those hips square. I'm just gonna have my hands on the hips. That is not traditional fourth, but since I'm not using a bar to balance myself, I need to stay central. So this is, again, a good place for you to start holding onto a chair if you need it. We're gonna lift that front heel. Lift and lower for 2. Now keep that front heel up. Now, see if you can lift that back heel up as well. Yes? Hold on to something if you need it. Now we're just gonna go down a little, up a little, down a little, up a little. This is so hard with nothing to hold on to. Maybe try it out for a second. If you do have that chair, lift your hand for a moment. We don't want to strangle our bar. So just hold, good, and little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, and we go 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten up. Bring that back foot to meet the front. Little susu. Do, 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 do. Little tippy toes. Bring it down. Other side. Good. So same thing. Find that stance. First, just begin to lift that front heel. Lift and lower. Hold on to the chair. So since we switch feet, maybe, of course, move your chair. Do what you need to do. Move the screen maybe too. Now keep that front heel up. Now we're gonna lift that back foot. Lift, lower. Keep that core in super tight. It's gonna be your friend to help you here. 4, 3, 2, okay, hold, double releve. We go down a little, up a little, down and up. Try to stay in releve. Really challenging those legs now. 4, 3, 2, okay, just go down and up. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, and we got 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, susu, straighten the legs, squeeze together, arms up and down. Okay, fifth position, last one, you guys. This is gonna be a little change of the legs, shanjama. So heel is pressing into that back big toe, right? Straight here, let's take the bend. What we're gonna do is take this plie to prep. Let's actually go ahead and bring our arms up to high fifth since we are in fifth position. So like you're now holding that beach ball above your head, you plie, and then you switch. So when you switch, straighten the legs, point the toes, get some air off that mat. So we're just gonna do a little cardio. We're gonna do 2 counts of 8 to end this, guys. So here we go. We go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Always land toe ball heel. It will protect those knee joints. And we go 8, 7. Really try to get air. And we go 4, 3, 2, 1. And release it out, you guys. Nice work. Let's just take a little stretch for the end. Come into a lunge, bend that front knee. Feel that stretch through the back of that hip flexor. Good. And then turn it the other way. One more breath. And turn back. All right, thank you for joining me. I hope that this was an informative class for you if you are more familiar with Pilates over ballet. So it kind of gives you the basic principles of ballet that we use in Barre. And if you like the video, like us, hit subscribe, check out our Patreon page if you want to support us more by joining our community and getting some full-length exclusive classes. See you back here next time.